Hello friends, this is your buddy Mike Hayes of Hayes Home Services. I've been offline for a while, but I just came back to show a product that I'm going to be promoting. And if you've ever had any problems with your bathtub cracking due to old paint or just the coating is coming off, I discovered a new product. I love the reviews on it. And we're going to be recasting a bathtub today, if you can see it here. But it is a process, and but from the results I've seen online and through the company, this will last you another 15 to 20 years with no cracking, no bubbling. It's just going to be like a brand new tub. So I want to do this quick snippet to show you. This is the product. It's called Eckople 2K. You can get it on Amazon. I will be doing this service, so if you'd like some more information, just leave a post or leave a text down below in the chat, and I'll get back with you and we can set up a time and an appointment. Now, I found that when having a tub that's been painted with a lacquer paint or an enamel paint, you will have to you will have to strip that tub. Now, from what I'm finding out is you can't use regular paint strippers that you would use on wood or metal or anything else, because these tubs are porcelain. So I've got some photos that I'm going to be posting. It did take, this was a 3-day prep job because of the fact that, I wanted to make sure that all of the old paint was off so it does not interfere with the new coating. I found that using an orbital sander with an 80 grit pad, it takes a long time. From this side of the tub, show you, from this side of the tub, just not even in the center, took almost 7.5 hours just to get all of that paint off. So I found a better way, and it's using this paint. This is a paint stripper. You put this on a drill motor, and it's like it's fibers that have been petrified or whatever. I don't know. But with this unit, I came back the next day and I was able to finish out the whole tub within those 4 to 6 hours. It is time consuming, but if you want a very good finish, you're going to have to take the time and do it. Another thing is, be prepared. If you do, this is going to get paint dust everywhere. So if I could kind of show you here on this paint wheel that I haven't cleaned yet, you're going to have to go through and, this process, the Eckople process, is going to take about 4 to 6 hours to complete, because it's all about its leveling system. It's got its own leveling system in place where I'm going to apply the product and it's going to level itself out until it stops. And once it stops, then it's going to sit for 24 to 36 hours and you'll be able to use your tub. But through this process, I'll be cleaning and coming back and removing excess material. If you'd like more information on the Eckople product, you can go to bathworksolutions.com, or you can look up Eckople Tub Recasting on YouTube. So I'm going to shut the camera off now, get to the point where I've got to now that I've got the tub all sanded, now I have to go through and clean the tub. And I'll be cleaning the tub with what they call Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaner, and they use this because this gets the tub to where there's no more debris and the product actually etches into the tub. So hang on for a few, and I'll be back making snippets on each process that I do. I'm going to also list things and materials that you're going to need if you want to do this thing yourself. You can probably do it over a weekend, and I recommend, if you don't have the patience to do this, you know, give us a shout. We'll come out and give you an estimate and get the tub done for you. Okay, so we'll be back after a few, and stay tuned. Thanks. Hey folks, now back to the Eckople refinish. So what we've done, we've scrubbed the tub with a Scotch brand scrubber with the Lysol. I have to open the door. We will let this sit up for 10 minutes, and then after it sets up for 10 minutes, we're going to thoroughly clean the tub and then dry the tub, and then we'll start the process of refinishing and recoating the tub. Okay, this is a recasted Eckople tub. So it's still got some work to do in its leveling. I know I screwed up a couple things in the tub there. You can see it's wavy, but it will level itself out. I've tried to scoop the drain. I'll scoop the drain again so that way you can see, but you can see with the light where I retouched it. And like the instructor said, that when you retouch it, it starts the leveling process all over again. And you can see how smooth and glassy that is. So we're going to wait. This is a 4 to 6 hour project, and then we're going to let it sit for 36 hours. So we'll be back to let you know what's going on. Okay. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like more information on the Eckople refinishing system, please contact me at hayes.services, abbreviated, that's hayes.svcs@gmail.com. Remember, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more do-it-yourself at-home home services. Thank you, and have a tremendous day.